Police interview about a car accident. Mary is now a witness to an accident and the police want to speak to her. The Aboriginal police aide at the community has been sent to ask her to come to the police station and talk to the police. Hello, Mary. Thank you for coming to see me. Please sit down. I just want to ask you about the motor car accident you saw last night.
Wa ngailaguno nida brandanu muzukazia kalanu ngatkai manu nakapa wale mapuino waradagamunu yabugudanu
We want to know what happened before that. Can you tell us what happened?
wa nakamina kawamel ngapungata sina ngakita zimuna panakita awara ngatkita imanu ketau nabia mata urapun headlight zurul nga
Did you see if the car was going straight or was it swerving from side to side?
na straight pungata sena umai utiyuda yabugudanu nu the driver now nanruamonu ka au umai ngumata maile sena kita zimu au kalanu au puinu power lema
Yes, I'm going to talk to those people about that dog.
umai kai widaig sero nuid mabegan kiwo menal gapungata
All right, Mary. We're not blaming the dog. Tell me about what you saw after the car hit the tree. What did the driver do then?
nuyada padanu amabegal bagay salmamino kalanu nuid kulal au garpatamamino aidi monu umai pa keta kaya nuitana balbay ginga tiyay ginga
Do you think he was drunk? Could you see the way he was walking? Was he walking straight or was he staggering around the place?
ngat nuini mai ginga ngat kazilau muyara mino lagia tanakani memami da nungungu
Thank you, Mary, for coming here to tell me that story. It's all right for you to go back home now.